when we think of PubMed as a profession, we also try to understand how the profession and theory are interrelated. So is the practice of public administration benefited from the theory of public administration, right? Right? So this is also an important debate in public administration as profession or practice of PubMed, that to what extent theory and practice are interrelated to each other. Do we have a relationship between them or not? Can you give an example? Like you said, NPM, rollback of state, public choice approach highlighted so many things. Has it been applicable now, or is it applied now? Yes, it's been more than 20, 30 years. Most of the developed countries of the world, they went through this PCA transformation. So yes, theory had predicted certain things and they were found to be true to an extent. Government efficiency has increased post NPM. So let's say मैं assume करता हूँ कि NPM theory है, right? It was made by certain people, visualized by them, and it was applied here now. So has this led to certain consequences? See, Thatcherism is a precursor to NPM. But क्या ये हुआ है, इससे फायदा मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ, NPM से क्या फायदा हुआ है? We are trying to understand how a theoretical analysis, a theoretical model has helped the practice or the profession to become more relevant to the society. बिल्कुल राइट, ठीक है. हमने ट्रेडिशनल ब्यूरोक्रेसी को चेंज किया, उससे फायदा हुआ लोगों को. You're right, there can be numerous examples. I am trying to focus only on certain kinds of general developments कि क्या ऐसा हुआ अगर ये हमने किया. पब्लिक सर्विस एफिशिएंसी बढ़ी है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. ट्रांसपेरेंसी बढ़ा है, अकाउंटेबिलिटी बढ़ा है. लेट मी जस्ट टॉक अबाउट, लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल, राइट. CAG 2017 से 2021 report, right, highlights that 2 lakh crore were spent by the ministry or government on rail security, rail suraksha samiksha kosh. So railway safety and evaluation या fund, for example. ये जो फंड था इसमें 2 लाख करोड़ इन्वेस्ट किए गए रेलवे सेफ्टी के लिए, बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट अभी भी वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अनमैन्ड रेलवे फाटक्स, लीव दैट, वो तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, राइट. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन अराउंड दोज एरियाज, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो अ पॉलिसी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट दैट वी मस्ट गो फॉर extensive social forestry on the railway, near the railway tracks or around the railway stations, lot of land which is being kept uselessly. So they were trying to convert that into green areas. ठीक है, वो भी एक पॉलिसी है थ्रू 33.3% तक रीच करने के लिए फॉरेस्ट कवर. फाइन, नहीं हुआ, चलो लीव इट. आई एम सिंपली सेइंग यू हैव स्पेंट 2 लाख रुपए एंड इसके बाद भी 40% एरियाज या रेलवे ट्रेन्स या रूट्स uncovered हैं from this security kavach signaling system, whatever you say, right? So how signaling system operates? Science, right? Whether it will be able to or whether the public administrators will be able to use it for public safety, art. It's not science, right? So